I'm Jayden. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna unbox and review this educational toy for babies and young children. This is from Leapfrog, Chat and Count Emoji phone. Let's see what's inside. Okay, on the box itself, we have Leapfrog, Chat and Count Emoji phone. And it's perfect for 18 months plus. We can learn pretend play, numbers and music. So this is the phone itself. You could actually play in the store. Just turn on the button on the right. Like that. To turn off, just push it up. Let's turn to the back and see. This is all the features. Let's unbox and go one by one. Okay, let's open it up. First, we'll open this. Then the side and the top. Okay, over here we have a little manual and the information booklet. Over here we have these two little white stuff. You just turn it anti-clockwise, which is this way. Then we open another one here. Then we can open it up. Now we have the phone itself. Let's look around the phone. First, we have these buttons. And over here, we have the switch. And here's the speaker. Here's the place that you put batteries. When you buy it, it's already inside. And the screen. There's two types. One is the purple one called Violet. Another one is the green one called Scout. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, let's look at the top buttons first. The top left over here, it's play.
I played a ball game with my friends today. It was a lot of fun.
Keep pressing the play button. It will show different stories every time.
Would you like to play a ball game? Let's practice.
Press it again for the next story. The second button is the guessing game.
Found you. Let's play a guessing game. What's behind the blanket?
And you see the picture? Down here is for you to choose which one.
It's a butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful.
Okay, let's play the guessing game again. This time I try to give a wrong answer.
Let's play a guessing game. What's behind the blanket? Not quite. Not this one. Not quite. It's a flower. Flowers are beautiful.
Okay, the next one is the number game.
Let's play a lights out game. Press the number 7. This is the number 7. Press the number 2. This is the number 2.
It will help to give the right answer by lighting it up.
Press the number 1. This is the number 1.
And over here, the fourth button on the top is the emoji one. You could make emojis. And we can do it in any mode. We can just put it in the play mode. And just do it.
I played a ball game with my friends today. It was
And the 1, 2, 3 and the buttons down here, it will be telling you the tone and also pretend to be like a phone. Every time you press a number, it will show you the icon and the picture as well.
3. 3 flowers.
The bottom left, we have the music. When we click it, it will play songs.
Hello, how are
press it again, it'll play another song. And at the bottom right, we have a phone button, and Violet will teach you some phone manners.
Hello, this is Violet. Do you want to play? I like playing with you. Goodbye.
And if you leave this phone for a while, it will off by itself. Or if you want to off it already, you can off it with the switch button. This one is the one I grew up with. It's green color, has scout and violet. It's already 10 years old. And this one is for my baby sister. It has more features and more games. Leapfrog has many other educational toys. In Malaysia, it's imported by Unbox. You could buy it from supermarkets or Toys R Us. I hope you like this simple review video. You can help me grow my channel by subscribe, likes, and also ring the bell and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Goodbye.